What's good, people? Thank you for joining me. Today, we've got the Aussie PC Gaming Essential Pack. This is our first foray into the PC gaming space, so we wanted to make something for someone who was also taking that first step. This 4-in-1 peripheral pack comes with a mouse, keyboard, headphones, and a mouse pad. If you're just starting out or gaming on a budget, we think this is the bundle for you. Let's take a closer look at what you get. This wired mouse features rotating rainbow RGB lighting system that will complement any gaming setup and shines through the Hextech design. Ergonomics and the user experience were key factors we were considering whilst designing this mouse, such as the ambidextrous 2-button design that works well whether you're left or right-handed, the flared base with the ridges that gives your thumb comfortable resting place and increases the surface area for better grip, or the upper shell shaped to provide support to your hand no matter what your grip type. The mouse also features a scroll wheel, which is tactile and responsive, and a variable DPI selector, so you can make that cross-map headshot with ease. The gamepad gives you a smooth and stable glide and enhances your mouse's response thanks to the high-density cloth structure. The anti-skid rubber base is the platform you need to launch your attacks. The RX 250K is a wired membrane gaming keyboard. It features multicolored LED backlighting, different modes, and different brightness settings that you can control directly from the keyboard. A level of customization that lets you make this keyboard all your own. Keys are relatively quiet and have just the right amount of travel, and the 19-key rollover support and built-in anti-ghosting tech guarantee that every stroke counts. In the case of accidental spills, the keyboard is designed to drain quickly and mitigate damage. The base also features adjustable feet for improved wrist comfort. The RX 250H are a pair of closed over-ear headphones designed to give you rich audio, high clarity, and powerful bass. The stereo speakers deliver great sound from the 40mm drivers with crisp audio that builds a soundscape that makes it easy for you to immerse yourself in your game. The built-in mic is crystal clear, letting you give callouts to your teammates with ease, and when you don't need the mic, it folds away out of your line of sight. The padded adjustable headband lets you find a comfortable fit for you, and the soft ear cups create a nice seal around the ears for better audio without putting undue pressure on your head. The Aussie PC Gaming Essential Pack is compatible with most operating systems, with nothing to install, just plug in and play. It's also natively compatible with PS4 and Xbox One families of console. You can get that same great accuracy and feel when you game on your console. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you're an entry-level PC gamer or building on a budget, we think this is the pack for you. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.